Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can transfer money from RIA to GCash. So if you're interested, let's jump right in. Sending money from RIA to GCash is actually quite simple. First, open up the RIA Money Transfer app and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on Send. Now, select the country you want to send money to. Since we're sending to a GCash account, go ahead and choose Philippines as the destination. Next, enter the amount you want to send. After that, choose your payment method. You can use whatever option is available for your account, like a debit or credit card. Then, for the delivery method, make sure to select Mobile Wallet because we're sending directly to a GCash account. After that, you'll be asked to enter some personal details about yourself and also add the recipient's information. If you're sending money to your own GCash, just enter your details accordingly and tap Continue. Since we selected Mobile Wallet, the next step is to choose GCash as the wallet provider. Then, enter the mobile number linked to the GCash account. Before you finish, review all the information to make sure it's correct. Once everything looks good, tap Confirm. RIA may ask you to verify some details or complete identity verification. Just follow the instructions. And that's it. Your money should be on its way to GCash. And that's it, you are done.